Welcome to another video. I am Moali and this is me and my family's adventure. We left Sweden in late October last year, 2025, and now we live in our motorhome. And in this video, you will follow us in Spain. We are visiting this beautiful piece of land by a river, and I hope you will enjoy. This place is not far from the mountains that I showed in the last video, so make sure to watch that if you missed it. We are about an hour from Malaga, and this place just really gave us a space to ground and root, and I hope you will enjoy this part of our adventure. Thank you so much for being here, for being part of our experience as we follow our intuition and our hearts to a life that feels more true and alive for us.
Ser du Serafina? Är du söta? Tycker du att de piper?
We found this place thanks to a family that we have recently met at a parking. So we ended up going there together, which was really wonderful. They were a family with 4 kids, and it was really fun to have some other kids around to play with, and we're so grateful that they showed us this beautiful place. Yeah, I hope you enjoy these videos and take a moment to breathe and enjoy a cup of tea or something else to nourish your body. So I just finished my yoga, and I was reflecting on how much, or I was becoming very aware of how much tension my body has been holding. Tension that manifests itself in, just everything. And it reminded me of, it must be something like 10 years ago that I started to do yoga at home, mostly on YouTube, and I was not in a good place in life. And I remember when I started, I had the same realization as I had today, that the resistance towards doing yoga or taking that time to be with myself because I really didn't want to be honest with myself how tense I was, or I had a resistance towards being with it. But again, like as always, when I do take my time, and it's so good to release. It's so good to find the moment to to breathe a little bit deeper. And now I really don't want to leave this place. Yeah, I feel like I could stay here for the rest of the day.
No, that's that is the money.
I have enjoyed so much this time, living even more closely to nature and being reminded of why we chose this life, why we chose to live more in connection with nature. We are now parked here for the second night, and we came here from Velez, Malaga on 30-40 minute drive, and it's a gravel road. I was a bit worried that you wouldn't be able to access this place because of the heavy rains, but now we had a couple of days of sun.
Say again.
We are fiery.
We are fiery.
We just paint everything orange.
Yeah.
I can get. I can get. Ow! 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 Soon to go to home and eat the food. I go walk there. I will say hello to that little.
Aww. Hello. Oh, get sad.
Mama, just really don't have any other.
After more than a week here, we are ready for another adventure, and we are really enjoying this time together, and we're following this step by step and letting the journey unfold, trusting our heart, trusting our intuition, and really I feel this journey is more and more about being open to be surprised and to remain curious. And I'm so incredibly grateful for this opportunity and to be able to live this very simple but so rich life, so close to nature, and to be able to share this with my daughter is one of the greatest gifts I can think of. And all of a sudden, we have been here for 5 months. 5 months since we left Sweden. So we've been on this adventure now, and we're so grateful that you're here, that you're following along with us. And if you received anything from the video, if you're curious about something, we love to know in the comments. And I hope that wherever you are on your life journey, that you feel inspired to follow what feels most true to you. And see you again very soon.